Amazon isn't always the best play. Here is the right time to switch to Walmart. Now, while Walmart sales aren't the highest, you can see right here, this is one of our clients in the last year made around $55,000 in revenue on Walmart. Orders are up, everything's up. So the short answer on when to make the switch is now. Start taking initiative and start switching now because sales are increasing. Everything is slowly going up and up and up on Walmart. And it's so easy to use right now with less competition. Now, let me explain. But the first thing I want to go over is the sign up process. This is the hardest part. It is not like Amazon in terms of sign up. So you can just go to sign up on Walmart. So you just do Walmart sign up. Seller, let's do, and then boom, sign up Walmart seller account. Now it is very difficult to get approved to sell on Walmart right now. And that's why I'm saying at least set up the account. There is no monthly fees like Amazon has for a professional seller. There's just one type of seller. It's free per month. Get that set up and started. Number 2 is to start testing your products early and start with WFS. If you want to have success, and I want you to have success, don't ship the products yourself. Start with Walmart WFS. I know it's going to be a little bit of a pain, but I don't want you to give up in the beginning and be like, why am I not generating sales? I'm done. With Walmart WFS, it's the same as Amazon FBA, just like Amazon Prime, right? Walmart does the shipping for you, and they pretty much push you to the first page. So I just want you to win. And when you do start, please do start with WFS. That's going to be my biggest one. And right now on Walmart, it's saying that they have around 200,000 active sellers, right? Compared to Amazon, it's super small. So Amazon has over 9 million sellers, right? While Walmart has 200,000. I'm just telling you, like, it's so easy to get to the first page and so easy to dominate. And this is the time to really learn what to do and how to sell. And then point number 3 is learning the difference between the algorithm, right? So I want you to start early so that way you can learn the difference between the algorithm on Walmart compared to the algorithm on Amazon, because they're completely different, the algorithm. But the big thing about Amazon's algorithm is they don't tell you like how to succeed really. Walmart literally has, this is literally, hey, your algorithm's good for this listing. So if your algorithm's good, it literally tells you, and then you're generating, look, you can see the bad listings, only $60 in sales. The ones where the algorithm is good, aka it's optimized, the SEO, the photos, they're giving us $2,000 a month in sales. So it does make a big difference. And if you scroll down on this page, it's a listing quality score page on Walmart. It literally tells you what you need to do step by step to improve your algorithm. So pretty much what Walmart's algorithm is looking for to increase your sales, right? And it's super easy to understand right now. Utilize Walmart's listing quality dashboard, understand the algorithm, double down on Walmart's algorithm, and then it's game over from there. What's been happening is people have been coming over from Amazon to Walmart thinking it's the same game, it's the same algorithm. It's different. But Walmart really breaks it down, and I don't know how much longer they're going to do this because they keep changing things up, right? But as long as you understand the basics and you get in early, you're going to be a pretty much somebody to reckon with. And of course, if you are stuck on Amazon right now, you can just go to our website. There is a link right in the description, and then you can just get a free listing audit. It's right on our homepage. We'll literally look at your Amazon listing and at least tell you what to do to improve your Amazon listing. And we'll do a free audit, right? We'll look through all of your top competitors. What are they doing that you're not doing? Improvements that you can make on your Amazon listing. And it's just a win for you. It's great for us for extra practice. And for you, you can see exactly what you need to do to improve your sales on Amazon. We will be having a listing audit free process for Walmart soon, so stay tuned on that. But that's it for today's video. If you want more Walmart videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video or just help selling on Walmart, contact EHP Consulting Group. Links right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. And one of our most popular services is our full Amazon account management service, as well as Walmart account management service. This is what will manage your accounts, your inventory, customer service, optimizing your listing, running your ads, listing quality score, and most importantly, growing your sales. It's all about helping you work on your business, not in it every day. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, EHP Consulting Group, signing out.